ugeja kwithira no guchwa antu aega akuria agonywa ona kuthithiria michemanio ukabio na bionthe Pix Hotel na Nyuki. Pix Hotel ni thagirwa iri na nyomba cia kurara na inthongi cia mithembe thatu: Standard, Superior na Executive. Koroki kuri na nyomba cia michemanio ciomba kujuki kundi bianto magana jairi.
Wa Meru TV tukuinambira kwa watu hicho kagira kiango tuinambira kwa watu kiendelea kwa na tungure betu ndani ya studio nyuma ya kuma kirimetha yetu ya ndeto kumenya bora kuri na tukainambira kwa watu kile kale kagiria kiango tuendelea kumenya maingi makonelie na utongoria bwa mbeumbiri. Karibuni sana Kairi.
Thank you.
Tuinambira kwa tukiendelea na mubango wetu. Thina ni yithire tukinambira kwa kewa ta anabani ni muno niri kuna guthite nambere kwa gukira ithaga muno kiango bona botigira at least anabani ni bakuinambere kwa bakiyaga bantu amwe. Madam Secretary.
One thing ni Mbeumbiri, most of the people drop out of the school na issue ya ngui Mbeumbiri batena ngui and then kuna FGM gender based violence EU inafanyikanga kwa most of the youths wenye maybe nimetoka huko nje nimetafuta sijapata kitu by the end of the day ndaso kama usie nkaura mwekuroko kana nkaura ana bakwa nonto ntaona kintu hiyo ndio issue yenye ilifanya most of us we have pain tuko na issues mingi sana nyumbani. Ndio maana tulikuwa tunapigana na ile government ilikuwa. Sababu iko ime create job opportunities. Lakini for now naweza sema iko better because tuna rely on the bill sahi. The moment bill itapitishwa tutakuwa na job opportunities. Kemtoronde atierere skuru ni class 8 lakini the year na 24 years. Tutakuwa na job opportunities ke antobapi kiviki. You know most of the bonda men are educated. Lakini sasa sababu ya job opportunities ni less, unapata sasa hakuna hawajaajiriwa. Then kuna ile gender based violence pia lazima tutaiangalia na early pregnancies. Hizo ndizo vitu zenye zilifanya tukakuwa na a lot of pain ndio tujoin sisi wote pamoja. Mbeumbiri kenda tuolele interview beyond there. Yeah.
Bwega sana. Na now that ibokomba ukara methani mwana maybe governor wa county ya Meru. Imatakare mara kumabo kainambere kwa bokero kagotigira ati akwewa gikagira mantu mabo kumwera manane. Mantu mamo ndebo kubanga bangani makoba makiri ya wao kupata.
First of all, thank you to the governor of Meru County nonto bao kutudhikiria ta youth. Alafu there's this super PA mwenye ako na yeye anaitwa Patrick. That guy is a very super PA. Mtu huu atudhikiretia ta youth mtu kwera twetete ki governor na ndona aina something special for the youths. Alafu kuna chief of staff Honorable BJwe. Hata huyo mtu anapenda Mbeumbiri no one's business. So the last time we sat with the governor it was radio na atwerere migambo ithatu maybe iranga quote augire kwanza na aturire lawyer ura mwenye atakuwa na process the bill. Secondly, atwerere youth, you have a special heart, you have a special place in my heart. Like youth tumehold roho yake mali very special, mali hakuna mtu mwenye anaweza tutoa hapo. Thirdly, alituambia batweta Mbeumbiri tumuyuketa baba ta kiongozi wetu ta patron wetu na anytime tuena issue tumatukirekiwe atuthikiria. So I believe the governor of Meru County, Honorable Mutuma Ntwaithingia Isaac, ina future for youth. Ye mwenyewe ni youth. Ni second second youngest governor. So I believe ni youth na anajua zile challenges zenye tumepitia na alisema atatusikiza anytime any youth mwenye ako na issue. Kwa unajua uko na governor mwenye atakusikiza na ako na chief of staff mwenye atakusikiza, kimbilia tu kwake.
Bwega sana. Wana Kanitu ngato kajuni hata choke na arandire chia kacho kidogo turetheri mantu makarakara ngangi hata no kumenya tuwe tukiona kinenkania mipira bado kwena mipchetha gichetha wana ugu last time twatigete oko thikithikire ground kwegora kuwa then we na report ndikumenya so far so good ground iri hata.
Okay, thank you Faminas na thank you non to kwa sokera ringi na madire Bruna kwera na correspond kikiure kirauri mbere. The major challenge ira to ni as youths sana ni manto ya unemployment. Unemployment is na ke youths beto. Unemployment yo to my youths pa depressed, which depression is real. Na yo to kinyeta depression ke youths imekuwa mingi sana, and we have to kuria jira nyingi ira tomba guthe the youth beto at least to regulate the depression. Na bro tomba batete tomba ku regulate the necessary depression ke our youths ni anjira ya ku create employment. I hope trikareto ni othai ikawork na youth at least rato na twanya toka opportunities ke youth beto yako na kanyombo kumeke trikare to aba at least they have that opportunity kenda ba kwa mtu akona bia kona oro at least ukiona bia kore oro kona bia itede no skuma life yekuengwa at least utukumana kemanto stress na depression. Na kuna bia siedra ili itengise youth especially si empowerment youth sio toka ore governor yekuo na si baba taro bake ke sector youth tafadhali make sure mbira sio tumeona sekinyela youth na ke crowd onto ito na gavana no moya policy sio imbea but the money reka allocated na gavana mwa tekinyela youth na ke crowd kwa to kambira sie kinya kuma kwa ke gavana ikiwa sienda ma levels ndabyo kinyela mo youth yothebyo beto kinyela na crowd otebyo kinya so youth tunapotelea hapa katikati and that's what we had the leadership ira tunyonga gavana na itokomea gavana ni mzuri bina ara kuona youth bwake miate arakora mno indore atete as youth.
Yes.
Inkwe tumezunguka sana personally ode nkoro yote pia na it's something that the wouldn't to kwanda area inge peranto onde liburude mtontora ndathomera primary school la Mwamba area around ontorele ni mnoda ni mno etiri manaoni ote
atimenyeka wewe
ngania kwa ajili ya kuthoma.
Yes.
So ndakurantore ndathome the community na I thank my parents na community yonde akachoan especially kuma Amwamba na akacho yonde in general. Na ndeweta university ndethera na that urge to give back to the community because ituro ari amuntu athomere na ero bontura na wero borote bagito buitha nya Biblia ni wo kawati kando amitha
etitu kaya gitumi
etetu kere etomi but to me wero brando on right there give back to the community. Mea Faminas motongerete lazima wetero taro kendo tiranto kwe you can work at the capacity that you have with your ideas na siatethia ano kwethira utena resources kana utena pesa na utena that power na tu kana utete community. I think I've done a lot in Akachu na I will just mention a few about the talent show twice. My little about the talent show. Kada at least talent sia you develop ya kumakachu. Watena chance ro kinyela na rero. At least you have that opportunity to kona talent yetu siekora. Na mwanoro amo exposure. Kendenya musia ya kama talent ni enda siate. Then you have Mantua League, tumefanya leagues mingi, Akacho one, especially the last year Akacho Premier League, that was very vibrant, na to support many leaders, including the CSO, Gen Z, Eric Moredi Moga, and we thank all of them.
Yes.
Ito po dito manto ya mentorship, boy child, a girl child, Nanya medical camps imbu the team. Nya agoro be ati basi ata chonga. Tukareta agoro amo kenda be reduce some stress. This has been among the activities in Bobetas kubuithia kia kacho one. And I think tera kubuithia because that thing is inside me na umeta korone ko kuthike timu isi yake onsi ampera to tena mubira abore nda ndo ko ndo tena menya tena mbesa but at least when that connection umba kwa ya mtu fulani onge wateta ne that timu ya sendika even the community manto amengembe the spearhead manto yote the community mtu agethena thena ke community si lazima ijulikane. I've done a lot that the lazima nyapera anto kubwethio and of past kweke uri omboria gwetekia nongo bige yanto I've received so much pressure make especially youth Gen Z nyewa mami vetu omboria na ate mutako kwenda youth wamekuja wengi wakiniuliza ni aje tunataka kukuinua mahali kwenda ukeria and because this thing ndabera ato ile crowd nimezunguka akati ngweze kyote party ya kitete imeingia kwa mama kwa mami vetu akoro corona mpuko maonio but at least now inkoero nonto peno tongeri ba koero tongeri kura kiboike oni kabora boike ya youth at least riba kona community no kerwe imo youth so kila bombo vera ituendelea musiku moyo tuendelea on support na kia mnoi marombo mea hii tarekeya I told you the other time tai kanya kala tu na kwa miaka ele tukwenda ku lose miaka ile ile othani because it lose it the 2 years na the leadership that was there ito ba yo focus pura to ka maximize into be ya kacho wat because ito kwenda ro ya kacho to kwenda sibitari sia to ite to maternity especially keje no ko tidireru and the other sectors na ba me beto pa ikundi byo be empowered so to the kwenda kuma siasa na direct because to buy ko lobby into kuma ke county governor na MCO ra yuko thai na meato gende lo mo pressure because he has to deliver on to antoba chipa yanere kura miaka 5 kenda ba turongwe and these 2 years that are many lazima ba turongwe so akariba akachio nkomea ibo ndombara na iromba ru Biblia to ra itera murungu irote ya and I feel the grace has come na tukaranire tukendelea kwaranire una ba mami betu na akoro kiromba era ka junior maneno itakuwa sawa
pressure no ka junior ka kuingia ukarudha hata no tinko ni takota kwenda ndete ino kwirwa atuka pressure kaingia what will you do
pressure ya kuingia na anto bonte bakamua mea tongeria bumakire anto bumakire murungu kulukira anto so kwatuka anto murungu na muite iba muika junior na anto bongo bakiakua tete adena bakwete because I've seen when otongere ke modhakoyo when otongere kuna future ila community yetu ikienda kwethera yenio kana ira mtu omba ukiria community yetu in many sectors I think kuthike no gato kendelea kwarania tukiromba na ira as I serve the people of Akachu kuthike thai ntiwa nteru tangoi beta nkabwera bonkwenda I have to do work na bidang utete brand kwa thankiona kareta na Akachu tutete ne dace bodo mbaira na ngiokira kasia Akachu at least we'll live up together.
Wow, nice. Gatuendelea kuthikaniria wetu tuirondi bweku embuga next time ukia okay gitwira ndeto ikaribega tukekirwo Madam Secretary maybe kirikanya karawe na kon arandeni ya council ta mwana wa mwari maybe challenges ziri kuweza kutokea mbele kwa kurukira ta mutongoria wa mwana wa mwari.
Yani sasa umeuliza ile swali challenges we kama msichana ni mob first of all de ke group eu twina another boy child ibaba inge by the way and challenge number 1 kwe baraba tewetekia that women can do it but first kuna my role model kuna ntobara ntegete na nkaguzira the former governor of Meru County Kawira Mwangaza Kawira Mwangaza antubaba inge bamwisia mantu amoru but Kawira Mwangaza is a role model nonto no kwana kuringanira boa ringanira onita girl child ndawa mtu abati kuolelia bo afaitite secondly the governor of Meru County autwa kanya ringi ta girl child in the community nonto munini wake akethera a lady. So he has given us a chance again like women. Then secondly, apart from being a secretary, the coach. Nante coach wa wari. The coach wa boys.
Okay.
Na first of all, ambadiri nkariri ya Kyogo FC highlights. Antobawinda abairana bakandikira. Secondly, mbeyeke currently arang ndi. This is one of my player. So in the bairana bandikira. So that motivates me a lot. Then thirdly, I have a very strong woman that fights a lot. And ura kinyete kinyare yake, that is my mom. My mom ndio amenifunza kuwa what I am today, like being strong. And okay, mi sieti nimelelewa kwa I will not call it a humble background. I'm from a good family, but nimekuwa nikiona zile vitu zina happen kwa society. So my dream imekuwa like ile time yenye nitapata chance, I will make sure girl child ameinuliwa kwa hii community. So that is the dream that I have, and I'm still pressing it on it. Kama ni hiyo bill iko na wale ma secretaries kama cabinet secretaries venye wanakuwa, I will pressure up ni make sure most of the cabinet secretaries ni wasichana, at least kwa na chance kwa society.
Wow, very nice. Imbi yako motivate sana ndani ya mantu mamo ndorda.
First of all, there's something we call determination. Determination is always the key. Edera nte sitomana sitakuwa determined. Nte ritiranto nguibure bateri. Then my biggest motivation ni you see, putting a smile on someone's face, it's my biggest motivation.
Wow.
That is my motivation. Secondly, my biggest motivation is my daughter. The moment I see that girl smiling, I know the community is happy. Unaona. Then I have these women when you can encourage out there, like Masi, you can do it. You can do that and that and this and this. My motivation imetoka kwa au those women wenye nimeshina wao, akina mama Lai, akina mama Robi, akina mama Kana, they are like, Masi, you will do it. And then thirdly, there is my aunt mwenye naishi na yeye kwetu. That aunt has really motivated me a lot. Nikiona zile vitu anapitia lakini bado anapigana nazo kwa life, she has really motivated me a lot. So those are my motivation.
Bwega sana. Thank you very much. Ndona na chetu kuthira kajuni ntikumemera mwe muthia tukirikire maybe na kire antu bana ranterechia kachetu kirikire.
Thank you. Betekia tebore bwana ntupa kuthikira na kuendelea shoye. Na prombo bakuwa mbere bikenke nara at least onere anko na ko mtu roke braka juni yako pia. I think much appreciated because mtu youth bengi baba mpira ibwana ntu atrejera mali fulani bwana ntu tetheti antu fulani na bange baba ngoira sio ningi ya bindiri have to struggle to deliver to the people of Akacho rianko na bo criticize ka bo mpura ntu bo branko boide because itora wa mote yora yena matute yo atasia la maya so at least inkona nto but for me it baba ingi because ote boda sema ntu mantu amengi boda sekenda at least mtu fulani atetoka na community yetu ni tete ambere atetoka na prampo bapura ntu bakacho I'm still there to serve you na gutika tukenda la tukithikire crowd tukibona ate kuwa na tukibuithia mantu ya maingi tukia na sana pressure kithirikari rero na ntika ulwa kwena proposals to andikete say youths kenda youths by sports equipments na mantu aligi na top pressure ama onkatwa media stations na personally onde ikire proposals ila county government na I thank God non toke budget ya mwaka yo kuna 1.5 million ila ikiko youths na what a large MC ora yokutha hii allocate tafadhali na the other proposals ila non tonto kwa for the betterment of the youths na teams yetu cia Kachu, at least cia boots na uniform and the other things. Ki 1.5 wira.
Yeah.
Ishughulikira youths ke sports, ishughulikira youths dakasi yetu iri yake bonda bonda. Na ikiago luinyare because kuna team CRA na kuna other activities ila tumbo promotation culture.
Yeah.
Finally, pere antoba Kachu te bondete muno. Na thanks sana nontu kwa maromba ya kwa tambera ondombera na together aturi whether hapo in any event call me, I'm always available. Ya murungu ante the tika nyakarande na konya ngase bingi nyangase mbia na madhwane na tokea tukawiranirwa ikenke thisia goke asora ba ko bonde ina mukoro na jemo na baba ke je bonde komya tu na ndakasia tu intikiriti okome ko mngathia utali na nya ko Geoffrey wako wengi keje na twamuo I'll not mention Tora siondo ndoka ko mention siondo na Azora cross akachowa.
Yes.
Na bonde asante sana na baba follow my Facebook Ndebore Boya tuendelee kurombanira na mpira anto faminas ona musoro kwa a successful wa murungu no moya at least your time will come na itara murungu irore.
Yes.
So thank you sana toba Kachu, you are still there. Akachu ni home na lazima musi ubwe
Bwega sana. Thank you very much. Thank you very much Kajuni. Mase maybe migamba muthia tukirekeria mubango.
Okay, Ambwe, thank you very much. Meru TV not about host. Thank you the host. And secondly, Ambwe, thank you all my friends wenye wananifuatilia pale FB. And kwa TV, let me appreciate everybody mwenye amenisikiza, mwenye ametuma comments, mwenye ameuliza swali. Thank you very much. Secondly, wacha niwaambie, I will leave you with this quote. Determination is always the key kwa anything yenye unataka kwa hii maisha. Ukitaka kupursue anything kwa hii maisha, have something we call determination. Have something usiwetaka emotions zako zikulead. Secondly, let me address over the issue. Tuko na Thursday clean up day iko pale Ntere Park, tutakuwa tunapanda miti, tunafagia town. Ni kesho Ntere Park, mukuje mayouth wote to join our governor to clean the town. Then wacha ni antume nkedire to my mom and my family, dad, aunties, relative wote, Gidi, Lovin, wakuwa pale nyumbani. I know you're watching me. Hello. Then to my big brothers, niko na Dennis, na the family, Glory, Kingsley, and the little baby, niko na my brother, Maurice. Then I have all those friends of mine. Nikiamua kuwataja nitataja the whole world, but feel appreciated. Akina Karo, akina Kim, feel appreciated kwa kuniwatch. Akina Kanana, niko nao wenye wako Mirio, akina Viki, Eva, ni wengi. Na akina Baba Skylight, nikiamua kuwataja ni wengi. I have these 3 kids niliacha kwa nyumba. Okay, niambia auntie ukienda utusalimie. Niko na Mokiri, Kendi, na Njeri. Salimikeni hapo na auntie mali mko kwa nyumba. Then the last person I will say hi to, it's my man. Siko single.
Bwega, enu muhimu muno turi yako bana. Bwega sana mulithire wa Meru TV no ntuba kuina mbere kuigwa rinde ni ya Meru TV na kire para bonde ndona ba ina mbere kwa bakera na natiaga ugoro bwe mundi. Thank you very much nkona tuena antu kina Precious kumanante cha Meru ngana thite mbere kwa kire ya mubango. Asante sana Precious umetenara ntere chogori actually akauga na thite mbere kwa kire na kwa mubango kuthibwega kiri utongoria bwamba umbere. Oyo akauga ni CD ni mari ntere cha Meru akabathite na mbere kwa bakiro ya mubango bena mwaragna wake Michelle bwega no ntuko kwina mbere kwa buri ndeni ya mubango Hi Meru TV. Akauga tunaendelea ku watch na big up kwa mavijana wote na viongozi wa mavijana bwega sana. Mutesh muthambe wa hakauga ndeni zaidi no athite na mbere kwigua ari ndeni karani kumana nteche mitongo ibwega sana ntukinyebo wenda ni mubango na ibwega no ntuba kwina mbere kwigua kionini ya TV yaku kia Meru TV bengi sana kina DJ Men Kashiko lit sana kauga tuendelee hivyo Jacqueline kumanteche Embu County kwa naendete kuleza Meru TV bwega sana Kate ndeni sana kinyewe Fei kumanante chamacha akauga ndeni zaidi macha uka macha mabia makaili bwega sana kumanante chamacha Jemo kumante chia ndambiro kinyago kauga urendeni ya mubango asante sana na ntubaingi sana kina Pauline ngokubona gago rutero rungi kidogo nkona governor OT Governor OT Adugari ndeni kwa masi poetess na Newton Junior doing a good job for youth, proud of you. Bwega sana bari wengi muno barabere tubakina mbere kwa bakirithagiria mubango na tukabari bwega sana ntubakwigwa bwena kanya ukarande kionini ya TV yao kuina mbere kwa kiritha Meru TV kimubango yetu ni ukabudira bambitane family zo Kimathi tuiwatirite na Newton Junior na Masi karithi ndeni mubango orabwe mundi tukabandera tu otuko bwega. Good night.